today we're talking welder.
No, not just a welder, Mark.
Welders. We're
Welders.
talking welders. So this is the Lincoln. We've been playing around with this for a couple months now. Josh and I both got a chance to do it. This is the Lincoln 210 MP, and the MP is, we think, multi-process. So really, Josh wasn't kidding. It is several welders in one, because it does the Mig with the gas, it does the flux core, it also does stick and TIG. If you were going to do TIG, you'd have to buy the torch and the pedal.
Yep.
But yeah, so you got Mig, TIG, stick, all in one unit.
And you can still do that off a 110?
110.
Or 220.
Or 220, which is nice because the 220, I mean 110 is nice because if you bring it to a buddy's house or out onto a job, you're not going to have 220 likely.
Yeah.
But 220, if you can weld at 220, you're just always better.
Yeah.
You know,
but it'll do heavy gauge steel.
It will,
you know,
but it just seems like
aluminum.
it's a little more consistent when you're going with the 220. And so, besides being multi-process, it's really kind of a high-end unit. I mean, you could buy a welder for $200, and this one's about $12.50. But there again, you're getting 3 types of welding in one. Plus the interface, it's just super user-friendly. Yeah. I mean, small things like when you're switching from Mig to gas to flux core, you got to change polarities or aluminum back and forth. This one you just unplug. If you look at other ones, you got to
plug it on the other side.
Well, you got to open them up and like take them apart.
Everything's like Mark said on the interface. The LCD screen on the front, it literally walks you through. You could buy this thing, not know how to use it, read the instructions and walk through. It'll walk you through the gauge of steel, how to do everything. So I mean, it just asks you questions. What size material are you welding with? What wire are you welding with? What's your birthday? It'll probably do dishes for you if you We don't want to know your birthday.
No,
but the other thing too that's really cool is that you can actually, once it'll get you started, so you can actually turn the heat up and turn the heat down, and you can turn the speed up and the speed down. So it's really cool. And 025, 030, 035 gauge it does.
Yeah, it's a versatile. I mean, this is the one, you just need one welder, and this will get it done.
Yeah.
So we liked it. We made some pretty ugly beads, or Josh did.
Ugly. I think you're speaking for.
But they were solid, but ugly. Josh's were.
Yeah.
All right. Ugly.
Just
grinder.
hit it with. Take the grinder.
2 hours worth of grinding.
And it looks professional.